Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be doing another Dollar Tree haul. This one's a bit smaller than normal. I didn't pick up too much stuff. I haven't been to the Dollar Tree in a little bit. It has been really hot here, and honestly, if I don't have to leave my air conditioning, I don't. A lot of places in BC don't have the best aircon because we're not really used to this kind of weather. So I've been kind of holed up in my place. But without further ado, let's just jump into my, I'm gonna call this, I guess, my Julys. Cause I guess it's July. Yeah, okay. So I got some snacks. So these are the wheat thins, and these are the sun-dried tomato and basil. I love these, and then when I saw them at the Dollar Tree, I was like, heck yes. They are like about $3 in Canada at like the grocery store. So for $1.25, I'm down. I picked up some, bags. This is a staple. I use these quite often in my house for like lunches and stuff. So some baby wipes. I don't use these for baby wipes. I actually use them for like taking makeup off my hands for swatches, or when I do crafting and I need to get like glue and stuff off my fingers really fast, or when I'm doing some painting. So I got some baby wipes. Then I picked up some of these. These are the refillable soap dispenser brush refills. So I'm kind of wrecked one of mine. I use one in my bathroom to clean my glass doors and stuff in the shower. So I needed a new one, so they come in a pack, so I picked up that. I picked this up here, and this is a puzzle. It's 350 pieces. I think the Dollar Tree puzzles are super cute and super great. I've been kind of liking to doing some puzzles lately, so that one's got fireworks on it. Canada Day happened a little while ago, and unfortunately, there were no fireworks to be had because obviously COVID and how hot it was here. So I figured I'd pick up some of my own fireworks and not the ones we actually do ourselves. This is a lot less dangerous. Then I picked up this here, and this is a coffee mug. It's one of those just like, coffee mugs, cheaper ones. And it says, "Life is a beach, enjoy the waves." And this is going to be for my sister because I picked up another one, and this one's for me, and it's called Tropical Life. It's got that one. This one's pink, and we like to go to the beach a lot together, so I figured that'd be cute. Then I picked this up here. This was in the school supply area. It is like a pencil case. I'm not going to use it for a pencil case. I really love the coloring of it, so I'm not sure quite what I'm going to do, but I figured I'd pick that up. Love it. I picked up a nail file. This is really cute. It's got a tiny little nail file and then the plastic container to put in. I've been noticing I need these a little bit more and more lately since I don't have acrylic nails or fake nails. And I'm going to put it in my purse, so there was that. I picked up a staple of a tropical splash to make everything smell all yummy. I picked up this dog toy. If you don't know, I have a puppy and she loves any kind of toy. She's a little bit spoiled in the toy department, but I figured this would be fun. She has liked the little tennis balls from here, but I didn't really want to get her any more tennis balls. She just rips them apart, so I got her one of these. Then I picked up this here, and I just noticed these. These are technically facial mask removing sponges, which I thought was really great because I hate taking like those sticky masks off my face. I love using sheet masks, but taking off other masks is a nightmare for me. And when I saw these, I was like, yes, please. So I'm gonna try those out. Then I also got two of these. Well, it's a pack, but these are technically facial cleansers. They're to scrub and softly massage your face. The bristles help clean pores and exfoliate, so they kind of seem nice and soft. I figured I'd give them a try. I've got a lot of blackheads kind of kicking around on my face these days because, well, the mask. And then I got a bag here that has, well, a lot of shirts. So, I picked up, I don't know how many of these. Okay, so this is a 2XL. I love these for doing shirt things. What? Yeah, shirt things. Okay, so if you don't know, I'm a huge crafter, and I actually do like sublimation printing. I do iron-on transfers. I do regular vinyl transfers. I also do some other stuff and some blinging out and stuff like that. I also do like to take t-shirts and or upcycle them, I guess is what it's technically called, by cutting off sleeves and doing fun stuff to the back of them and stuff. So these were $1.50, I think, but where in the heck are you ever gonna get a shirt that's $1.50? There were some that had holes in them, so I didn't grab those ones. I actually looked through them really well to make sure there was no holes in them. But so, and these are the Gildan, and these are 50% polyester, 25% cotton, and 25% rayon for these shirts. So I picked up 1, 2, 3, so 4 black ones, which is my color of choice to wear. I like wearing black. Then I picked up this one here, and this is the Ultra Cotton. So this is a different form. This is 100% cotton, and this is what it looks like. So it's like a gray color. I haven't quite decided what I'm going to do with this one yet. It's too dark to do something I was thinking about doing, but I'm not sure if it'll look really cute with like the bleach and iron on. And that's another thing I like to do with the dollar store shirts, is actually do like spray bleach on them and see how that goes. I don't know what color this will go, so I might end up using that as a test out. And then I picked up 2 shirts that are white, and they're both Gildan as well, and these are the soft ones. This is a medium. No, this is just a large. So this one is just a large, and I think this one has a stain right here, but that's not gonna be too big of a deal for what I'm planning on doing with it. And then I think this one is an XL. Oh no, they're both larges. So I actually bought some kits a little while ago from the Dollertree that are tie-dye kits, and I've been waiting to find some white shirts to tie-dye. So if you guys want to see a video of me tie-dyeing a Dollertree shirt with the Dollertree tie-dye, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell, because that video will be coming up soon. So then I got those. 2 last things that I purchased that shocked me when I saw them at the Dollartree. And if this is something new, I am hecka excited. So first off, these are both from Recollections. Recollections is the brand that they sell at Michael's. I used to work at Michael's for a short period of time, and I know how expensive this stuff can be. So when I saw a bunch of Recollection stuff there, I jumped on the 2 that I could use. There were some other like scrapbooking stuff and paper stuff. I don't need any more paper stuff or scrapbooking, anything along those lines. So this here is actual adhesive vinyl. I'm gonna have to do a bit more research. I don't know if it's removable adhesive vinyl or not. So the difference between non-removable vinyl and removable vinyl is, if you see here, it looks like they have like a thing on here. So removable vinyl means you can put it on your walls, you can put it on stuff and take it down. Non-removable vinyl is stuff that I use like on this, where it doesn't come off. So I'm gonna have to do a bit of research because it doesn't say anywhere on here, but yeah. And then this one is chalkboard roll, which I thought was really cool. This is a paper roll and it's chalkboard. So that's really cool. This is 14 inches by 10 feet. So that's something I'm definitely gonna give a go to. All right, well, that was everything. Oh, wait, one more item. The cute little headband that I'm sporting right now. This is a little tie-dye cute little headband. Tie-dye's super in right now, and yeah, so I picked this headband up. I have already worn it a couple of times, which is why I totally spaced about it, but love it. I've been wearing it, yep, like I said, a couple of days now. It's really nice when I don't really want to do my hair and it's too hot to do anything with your hair. All right, well, that was everything for July's Dollar Tree haul. Let me know if you have used any of the Recollections products from the Dollar Tree, and if you found anything else that are Recollections. Also, if you want to see that video of me tie-dyeing a Dollar Tree shirt with a Dollar Tree box, or a Dollar Tree dye, leave me a comment in the comments below, just like a yes or a thumbs up or something, and I'll film that video for you guys. All right, well, I hope you guys are staying safe, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!